Is your Apple Watch not charging at all? This usually happens because of a faulty cable, a dirty charging surface, or a software glitch. Don't be panicked. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the not charging issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force restart Apple Watch. Connect your charger to your Apple Watch. Then press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. Now checking whether it is charging or not. Solution 2. Optimize battery charging. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Battery. Scroll down a bit. Here you will find the battery health option. Scroll down again, find the optimized charge limit, and then toggle it off. Solution 3. Update your software. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. And that's it. This is how you can fix the not charging issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.